evening and welcome. Straight into our headline story. Georgia tonight, NATO out. Pax Armada in.
Is the NATO alliance shifting to a new position?
Or is NATO collapsing?
Pax Armada's peaceful expansion ends.
What comes next?
It's not diplomacy.
On the ridgeline, that is not out. Ordering us to leave the area.
NATO's Secretary General called for calm dialogue.
Pax Armada. Force is how we keep the peace.
Hours left.
In what some are calling a prelude.
If Georgia is just the start, where does this end?
Bad guys in arm's reach, and they're redeploying us.
Murphy! Regional Command's got an update, boss.
Too bad it's not going to be go kick those Pax Armada shitheads off our doorstep.
Pax isn't the enemy. Read your briefings.
Well, then Command should find us an enemy. You backing servers isn't work for raiders?
Offensive cyber capabilities, Blake. SAP level shit. If you read as Martinez, you'd stop bitching about the wrong Georgia. Let's see what Command's got.
Yo, this is BS. We build up all these cyber defenses. Then Georgia says, ship out. We're giving the base to Pax Armada. And NATO just rolls over?
That's politics. NATO's not up to a fight with the worst PMC in Europe.
We are. Tag us in.
Look, I'd love to teach Pax a lesson. But if staying here might kick off World War III, I don't want it that bad.
Well, maybe Command's got a plan.
Against heavy fire. We bought ourselves some time. Let's get inside. I'm okay.
Here's a no-go, but we got a ride.
That Berkeley?
You good, Murphy?
Good enough. All right. Pax is focused on the base, but our mission hasn't changed. We protect those servers. We gotta secure Site 2 before Pax takes control.
Shooting our way out?
Guns up! Targets on both sides!
Checkpoint's just up ahead.
assist. Tempest Actual to Master. Jackson, come in.
This is Master. What's happening? Can't raise the commander.
She's gone. I need you and your snipers to reposition above Site 2 and run Overwatch.
Copy, Tempest.
Lightning, this is Tempest Actual. Stand by for a precision strike. We can still get a win.
Caution, Tempest. We're seeing armored vehicles ahead of you.
Berkeley, take us off-road!
The thing sounds like hell!
It'll get us there.
And if Pax is listening, we may as well be shooting an air horn.
Okay, drop us here.
We see you. We're at the overlook up ahead.
Berkeley, I need you to look for more survivors.
Copy that. As long as this heat holds together.
Adios. Good luck.
Murphy, glad you guys made it.
Likewise, Jackson. How we looking?
Pax artillery and vehicles below. Lightning is slowing down Pax reinforcements, but they got a window to give us air support. Good JTAC current, huh?
You know it. Let's get him away from our servers. Got a laser designator ready to go? All right. Their turn for a surprise attack. Lightning 1, this is Tempest Actual. Targets in place for attack aviation. Over.
Copy.
Laser on. Lasing.
Staring now. Staring captured. Confirm no friendlies in target area.
Confirmed. Fire mission when ready. Over.
Launching now.
No.
Lightning 1, do you read? Lightning 1!
They're gone, Martinez.
Jets. Someone sold them jets.
Jackson, give us some cover. We're headed to Site 2.
We are?
We can't evac the servers under that kind of fire, and we can't let Pax capture them. So we destroy those servers before they compromise NATO.
Holy shit.
We've got enough C4 to take out Site 2 and leave Pax swinging in the wind. Any input?
It's a plan.
It's the perfect plan. Because win or lose, Murph's in the shit for coming up with it.
Commence fire. Hostiles closing in on Site 2! Tossing frag! Enemy vehicles in sight. They want this place bad. Duke 1-1, this is Tempest. We'll need evac soon from Site 2.
Copy that, Tempest. Circle to evade enemy aircraft.
Copy. Approach when able.
We got tangos down below.
Frag out!
Pax tried to block the entrance. Not much try.
I got you, boss. Clear inside.
Can't believe they were still building this place.
Or the CIA acting for an extension.
Okay. No telling what's in here.
No movement.
Lights on. Stay alert.
The commander said Pax was preparing to take control, not rolling in an armored division.
Hey, not here. They must have been working on the server evac. Pax got the jump on them. Move up. Pax got ahead of us. Hold the line! Reloading!
Bastards were settling in.
Gotta hurry. C4 on those support pillars should bring the whole place down. We need more C4. Let's head up.
Copy.
This is Duke 1-1 to Temple Actual. Looks clear. Closing in on top 2.
Copy that, Duke 1-1. Meet us on the roof.
Watch your heads.
Covering you.
Jackson to Tempest. Got eyes on Site 2. Pax round forces are forming up.
Clear!
Clear this side.
More support pillars. Fire them up.
Copy that.
Let's get to the roof of revac, then blow this place.
Spotted Pax setting a rappel line in the elevator shaft.
We'll take it.
Hey, you good to rappel, Armstrong?
Anything you could do, I could do.
Jackson, are your people close?
We'll chase the evac, but it's gonna be tight.
Secure yourselves, Tempest.
Clear ahead.
Clear!
Tempest, you got Pax reinforcements on ascent. They're wise to us. Can't get them all.
Copy that. Evac's coming in. We'll hold them off.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Murphy. You gonna make us look like heroes?
I won't tell if you don't. Tempest, ready up! On your left! Sniper, 30 meters! Top side! Engage! Sniper neutralized! Frag out!
More incoming!
Empty! Reloading!
Reloading!
Sound coming from that direction.
Hold the line! Throwing frag! Sniper! 30 meters! Tossing frag! Cover me! Reload! Take this box! 1 o'clock! Evac's coming! We're not done! Stay focused!
Got a breather, but not much.
So were they.
Fuck yeah! Woo! Got him! Holy shit!
Think they'll bill me for those servers?
Keep adding zeros. Good God. Oh, this is some Article 5 shit. What kind of tech advantage is worth that? No, we're missing something.
NATO has to set us loose on this. Find some answers.
NATO's losing allies by the day, Murphy. If we got the truth, would they want to hear it? It's locked defended. No, we made it!
Hold on!
Aircraft in span losing altitude. 241 is hit. Minus span can't recover. 241 is going down. Mayday, mayday! Wait for impact!
Blake, you okay?
I can still shoot.
Armstrong, Martinez.
Think my leg's broke, but I'm still here.
Armstrong, come on, buddy.
Did we get clear?
We got incoming.
Oh, fuck, they're cutting us off.
This is Tempest 1-2 actual. Any friendlies in range? We need immediate evac. Any station.
Murph, what's the plan?
Unconquerable spirit. They gave us that motto for a reason. This is it. I'm going down fighting. Watch each other's backs. No matter how it ends. It's been an honor. We still faithful?
Always.
On my lead. Get ready to fend. Let's give them hell. Hold! We go out on our feet! Martinez! Oh, shit! Ah! Make them work for it! Travis! No! No, you're okay! It's like before! Blake, Martinez. I'm on your six, guys. Wait for me. Hey. We gotta go. You all right? Okay? Let's go! Let's go!
safe now. No one else made it out?
It was just me. Just me.
Reminiscent of the onset of the global conflict just over a year ago when the private military organization known as Pax Armada launched an unprovoked attack on the Mokrovani NATO base in Georgia. Just days later, while NATO was preparing its response, Secretary General Hawthorne was assassinated in Brussels with Pax Armada claiming credit. That created fractures in the West's oldest and strongest alliance. Several former NATO members have joined the coalition of states backing the PMO, which has ignited age-old conflicts in hotspots around Europe and now the world. The question now is, has the violence crescendoed, or is the next fire about to erupt?
Always knew you were a survivor.
Got the scars to prove it.
And the guilt?
Never goes away.
I've been trying to restore contact with you for days. Can't even raise Hemlock through contingency.
Like trying to raise the dead? You're gonna put that down.
Wasn't a question.
Sit rep. Hold your positions. Primary secure.
You're breaking protocol. You're never to contact me in person. I taught you both too
They're
well.
They're coming for you.
Who?
Pax.
What's your source? You believe a group of madmen hell-bent for leather on taking the world apart piece by piece would prioritize an operator halfway around the world? Why?
Now that is the question.
Gecko, I didn't put you on this team because you're a thinker.
No, you put me on the team because I'm a hunter.
Mills, they're coming. It's why we're here. And since you like putting pieces together, let's start with that. Like why you chose Dagger 1-3. Take us back to Gibraltar.